Click on the link below to get price. The Nikon D850 DSLR digital camera is a powerhouse in the realm of professional photography, and the Deluxe Bundle Kit only enhances its appeal. This camera boasts a stunning 45.7 MP full-frame sensor that captures images with extraordinary detail and dynamic range, making it an ideal choice for landscape, portrait, and wildlife photographers alike. The image quality produced is nothing short of spectacular, with rich colors and impressive low-light performance thanks to its ISO range of 64 to 25,600, which is extendable to 32 and 102,400. The D850's build quality is exceptional. It's robust and weather-sealed, allowing it to withstand the rigors of outdoor shooting. The ergonomics are also noteworthy, featuring a comfortable grip that makes it easy to handle during long shooting sessions. One of the standout features is its impressive autofocus system, with 153 focus points and 99 cross-type sensors that provide sharp focus even in challenging lighting conditions. In terms of performance, the D850 excels with a continuous shooting speed of 7 frames per second, which can be increased to 9 frames per second with the optional battery grip. This is particularly beneficial for capturing fast-moving subjects, making it a favorite among sports and wildlife photographers. The 4K UHD video capabilities are a fantastic addition, allowing filmmakers to shoot stunning videos with exceptional clarity. The Deluxe Bundle Kit enhances the value of the D850 by including essential accessories such as a high-capacity memory card, camera bag, and lens cleaning kit. The memory card is essential for handling the large file sizes produced by the D850, while the camera bag provides necessary protection and easy transportation. Overall, the Nikon D850 is an outstanding camera that delivers professional-grade performance, versatility, and durability. With the added benefits of the Deluxe Bundle Kit, it offers an excellent value for both aspiring and seasoned photographers looking to elevate their craft.